Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. It's time to do some maths. Open Falcon Maths of grade 2 class. Settle down with your books and let's do some maths. Today's topic is measurement. Unit number 4, measurement, and topic is measurement of weight. First of all, let's have a look. Information given in your book about measurement of weight, and it is the standard unit of measuring weight is gram. Standard unit of measuring weight is gram. For bigger measurement, kilograms are used. G shows grams, kg shows kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. It means when we have a product in 1000 grams, it shows that we have 1 kilogram. Next is 1 over 2. As you know, the fraction 1 over 2 shows the half, and 1 over 2 kg, this shows half kg. Half kilogram equal to 500 gram, half of 1000 gram. Fraction 1 over 4 kg tells us that the fourth part of 1000 gram, this shows that 250 gram in total, the fourth part of 1 kilogram. Next, some scales are shown in your book. Weight is measured using weighing scales of different types, and there are 3 types of scales given in your book. The first one is beam balance, and it consisting of a lever with 2 equal arms and a pen suspending from each arm is called beam balance. This device used to balance 2 items, and the difference, it shows the difference of their weight. The next one is scales. This device also used to show the balance of 2 items or 2 products or 2 things. The next one, third one, is spring balance, and a spring balance measures the weight of an object by opposing the force of gravity acting with the force of an extending spring. This means you can see that there is an extending spring, which means when you hang something here. So students, when you hang something with this spring balance, the needle inside it shows the weight of the item you hanged. Let's move to page number 71 with exercises according to this topic, measurement of weight. And let's see in exercise 8 what we have to do. What would you use, a kilogram or a gram, to weigh the following? See, in A pencil. Students, as you can see, it is a pencil and this is not so heavy. That's why there is written gram. Its weight is in gram, not in kilogram. It is less than 1000 grams. Students, you can see pencil, you can lift it very easily. Its weight is very small, so that's why it is shown in grams. Next is an elephant, the big animal of jungle, so its weight should be in kilogram. Write kg to show kilogram. Next is a horse. We cannot lift horse. Horse is so heavy, so show its weight by writing kilograms. Next is grapes. A bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes must be in grams. A man. Man is a heavy thing. It has so much weight, so we can show it by writing kilograms. A man have weight in kilograms. Basket of apples. Basket of apples also have weight of in kilograms. Table. Students, everyone has table in their house. Go and lift table. Can you lift it easily or not? If it is heavy, write its weight in kilograms. Sheet of paper with very little weight, we can write it in gram. Let's move to next exercise. Exercise 9 on page number 72. Add the following weights. बिल्कुल उसी तरह ऐड करना है जैसे पहले हम ऐड करते रहे हैं. लास्ट यूनिट में हमने सेंटीमीटर्स एंड मीटर्स को ऐड किया था. आज ग्राम्स एंड किलोग्राम्स को ऐड करेंगे. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ग्राम साइड. ऐड ग्राम्स फर्स्ट, देन केजी और किलोग्राम्स. 5 and 4 equal to 9, 5 and 3 equal to 8, 4 and 6 equal to 4 and 2 equal to 6. Put G to show grams. Next, 3 plus 4 equal to 7, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Write down kg to show that 57 kilogram. The same process we will add the rest of exercise. Let's start. 7 plus 0, 7. 6 plus 6, 12. Write down 2 in answer. Take 1 carry to next column. Now add all these 3 digits. 6. Put G to show grams. Now 4 and 5 equal to 9. 7 and 1 8. 4 and 1 equal to 5. Write down kg as it is to show kilograms. Let's solve the next question. 8 plus 0 equal to 8. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Write down 0 in answer. Put the digit tens to the next column as a carry. Now add all these 3 digits. 3, 1, 4 and 1, 5. Write down G to show grams. 4 and 8, 12. Take 1 carry. 6, 7 and 1, 8. 2 and 1 equal to 3. Write down kg to show kilograms. Let's add the next. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Put down grams and kilograms. 7 and 9, 16. 1 should be carried. Now add 5 plus 5 plus 1, 11. Take 1 carry. 4 and 1 5. Write down G to show grams. 4 5 equal to 9. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 879 kilogram. And 516 grams. Let's add the next one. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 1 plus 2 equal to 3. 366 gram. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 879 kilogram, 366 gram. Exercise 9 is complete. Now let's move to next exercise on next page. Open page number 73 with exercise 10. And what we have to do here, subtract the following weights. बिल्कुल उसी तरह जैसे पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते रहे. We will start from grams. First we will subtract grams, then we move to kilograms. You can see we have to subtract 7 from 6. Cannot do this, it is not possible. So take a borrow from 8. Now we have 16. But reduced, 8 is reduced in 7. Now subtract 7 from 16. 9. Subtract 3 from 7. 4. 5. If we cut 5 from 5 fully, answer will be 0. It means total 49 gram. If we subtract 1 from 1, answer will be 0. 1 from 3, answer will be, so our answer is 20 kg, 49 gram. Let's subtract next. First of all, make 0 as 10. Reduce 7 to 6. Now subtract 5 from 10 equal to 5. 6. When we subtract 6 from 6, answer will be 0. 3 from 6, answer is 3. 305 gram. Subtract 2 from 6, 4. 1 from 5, 4. 5 from 9, answer is 4. 444 kg, 305 gram. Let's subtract the next one. Again we have to subtract from 0. So first of all, increase the value of 0 by taking a borrow from the next digit. Now the value of 6 is decreased to 5 and the value of 0 is increased as 10. Now subtract 9 from 10. 1. 2 from 5, 3. 1 from 1 is 0. 31 gram. Again take borrow from 1. Its value decreased as 0 and 2 is now 12. Now subtract 4 from 12, that is 8. Again we have 0, make it equal to 10. Decrease the value of 5, 6 equal to 5. Now subtract 1 from 10, answer is 9. 1 from 5, answer is 4. We have 498 kg. Let's move to next question. Again we have 0 on upper value. Increase it first by taking borrow. Now subtract 2 from 10. Answer is 8. We cannot subtract 2 from 1. Make it equal to 11 by taking borrow from 5 and decrease the value of 5 equal to 4. Now subtract 2 from 11. Answer is 9. 2 from 4. Answer is 2. Did you understand, students? 298 gram. Next, subtract 0 from 6. As we know, 0 has no value. It has no ability to increase or decrease a number. Write down 6 as it is. Subtract 3 from 6. Answer is 3. Total 36 kilogram. Let's solve next. Again take borrow, decrease 6 in 5. Now solve. 1 from 10 equal to 9. Subtract 3 from 5 equal to 2. Subtract 1 from 3 equal to 2. Put down G as it is to show grams. 6. Subtract 4 from 7 equal to 3. 1 from 1 equal to 0. Put down kg to show kilograms. Let's solve the next. Subtract 1 from 3. Answer is 2. 2 from 7. 5. 4 from 9. Answer is 5. 0 from 1 is equal to 1. If we subtract 6 from 8, answer will be 2. Subtract 2 from 4, you will have 2 in answer. Write down kg to show kilograms. That's it. Exercise 10 is complete now. Let's move to page number 74 with exercise 11. And there we have word problems. Read the labels and answer the following questions. These are labels. You can see in a loop there is written peaches weight with 820 gram. Next loop shows baked beans weight 125 gram. The next one, loop of yellow color with information sugar which has weight of 450 gram. Next in green color we have carrots weight with 780 gram. Now with this information what we have to do? Let's have a look. In A, we have to find the weight of an empty can is 80 gram. This is the information that empty can is having a weight of 18 gram. Write the total weight of if a can of peaches. Secondly, if a can of carrots. Now we know that peaches has weight 820 gram, but when we put them in a can, what will be the weight in total? Let's find out. If we add the weight of empty can with peaches, we will surely find out the total weight of can with peaches. Solve this exercise in your notebooks. See, we have information. The weight of an empty can is 18 gram. Weight of peaches is 820 gram. Now find out weight of a can of peaches. Add this 820 and 18. 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, 8. Total weight of a can with peaches equal to 838 gram. Second one is weight of, we have to find weight of carrots. with can. Weight of empty can is 18 gram. We know that the weight of carrots is 780 gram. Now add them to find the weight of a can with carrots. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 will be written as it is. It means the total weight of carrots, total weight of a can of carrots is equal to 798 grams. Let's do the next part of this exercise. B. Find the difference between the weight of baked beans and carrots. Find the difference between the weight of baked beans and carrots. And we know that difference means difference. How we can find difference? By subtracting two values. The answer of subtraction is called the difference of two numbers. So we will subtract the weight baked beans and carrots. We will get the difference of it. Here we have carrots weight is equal to 780 gram, baked beans weight is 125 gram. Let's subtract to find its difference. Take a borrow from 8, reduce its value to 7. Now subtract 5 from 10 equal to 5, 2 from 7 equal to 5, 1 from 7 equal to 6. It means the difference is 655 gram. The next is how much heavier are peaches than sugar. This information also tells that if we subtract the both weight peaches and sugar, we will get which is the heavier of them. You can see the weight of peaches is 820 gram and the sugar is with weight 450 gram. Let's subtract sugar from peaches. The weight of sugar from weight of peaches, zeros and 0. Its subtraction answer is 0. Increase the value of 2 as 12. Decrease the value of 8 as 7. Now subtract. 5 from 12 is equal to 7. 4 from 7 is equal to 3. This shows that 370 gram is difference between peaches and sugar weight, and peaches are heavier than sugar by 370 gram. This is our answer. You can see the weight of peaches is more than sugar, that's why peaches are heavier than sugar by 370 gram. Let's see the next. D1. Find the total weight of all 4 items. We know that how we can find the total weight. Add weight of all these items plus all them. 0 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. 9 plus 8 equal to 17. Write 7 in answer. Take 1, carry to next column. Now add 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. 13 plus 7 equal to 12. 12 plus carried 1 is 21 equal to 21. Answer is 2175 gram. Now students, as we know that 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. So 2000 is equal to 2 kilogram and 175 gram. The total weight is of all these 4 items is 2 kilogram and 175 grams. Let's see the next one. Which item has the maximum weight and which has the minimum weight? What is the difference in their weight? First of all, let's find out which item has maximum weight. See, the largest value in all 4 is 820. It means the maximum weight is related to peaches, and the minimum weight, find out from these 4 which weight is smaller. And baked beans has smallest weight, which is 125 gram. Let's solve it. See, write the information. Peaches has the maximum weight 820 gram. Baked beans has the minimum weight of 125 gram. Let's subtract these two. To subtract 5 from 0, first increase its value by taking borrow from the next number. Now subtract 5 from 10 is 5. Again increase value of 1, cut 8 to 7. Now subtract 2 from 11, answer will be 9. 1 from 7, answer is 6. The difference in their weight is 695 gram. Exercise 11 is finished. Students, we have completed our topic measurements in weight. Next we will start topic measurement of capacity. Till then practice and understand about weights. See you again. Take care of yourself. अल्लाह हाफिज।
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।